Here is a tutorial of how I do one type of baby hairs that I like to do on myself or my clients sometimes when they want an extra look for their baby hair. So you want to start off by separating the hair. You don't want to separate too much, but you don't want it to be too little where you can't see the baby hair. Now you want to have a photo also to go off by just to see like how much baby hair you need to do, because you could take out a little bit baby hair, but the look that you're going for, it may not be enough, or you could take out a lot and it be too much. So you can always have a photo to go off by. Now while you're separating the hair, you don't have to make sure that it's even. You want to kind of separate the hair on an angle, and any hair that you need to pluck out, just go ahead and pluck out the hair. So I'm going to go on my razor and my scissors. You need to use both tools to get the more precise baby hair look. I don't want my baby hairs as even, so I'm going to go ahead and use the razor just to cut them just all over the place. There's no precise method, just cutting them all over the place, but making sure that they're cut short, because I do not want my baby hairs looking long and scraggly. After I applied the mousse, I just want to comb all the other hairs out the way. Now to do your baby hairs, watch me. You just want to do a swooping method, and I'm going to swoop and hold. So that's the method you want to do, swoop and hold. So say you drawing a circle. That's the type of method you want to do. You want to swoop and hold the baby hairs. When you hold the baby hair, it kind of keep the hair in place. You see my finger each time after I swoop or move the hair. I hold it down just to keep it in place. So I'm adding more mousse just to shape it. Now, the mousse sometimes holds the baby hair down, sometimes it don't. I want them to be very pressed down, so I'm also going to add edge control just to the root of the baby hair so that it looks like sleek baby hair. So the mousse is to shape and the edge control is to hold down. For this part, I would advise you to use a wrap strip instead of a head tie, just so that your baby hairs don't come out straggly like mine. But for the moment, this is what I use. So I went back in and I just straightened them out, and then I cut off some hairs just so that the hairs didn't look so long. Like I said, I want them to look natural and I don't want them to look like fake. So I went in and I just cut off some of the extra hair that I felt like didn't need to be there.